Hey there, this is Pauline from lagrowthmachine, and together we will see how to segment with LGM Database. First, a quick reminder. LGM Database is our ABM turnkey solution directly integrated into lagrowthmachine to help you refine your segmentation and find your next customer. So how to use it? First, let's go to the dedicated tab in the menu, and then you have different possibilities. You can use the Lookalike Search feature to help you identify companies that have similar core activities and goals than the one you are targeting. You can use the classic filters if you want to target companies by size, location, or industry. And last but not least, you can combine both if you want to take your segmentation to the next level. So let me quickly show you how it works. If you go with the classic filters, just select a company size, a location, let's take France for example, and then an industry. In my case, I will take information and media. I also have a list of other industries I can add if I want to. Let's take media and telecommunication. I can have a look to the company description to make sure this is relevant for me, and also select or deselect company I don't want to target. When I'm ready, I just have to find leads in the list. To use the Lookalike Search, I just have to add the name of a company, for example, my last customer. Then choose the similarity score I want, which is the ratio of similarity between the company I'm looking for and the results. Let's take I. I can add some filters also. I will target the United States in my case. And when I'm happy with the list, I just have to find leads. I need to add some job titles, so I will target CEO and co-founder. And then search for the results. Here is the list of my leads. I just have to import them in an existing audience or create a new one. Now my leads are importing and I will be able to create a campaign in a minute. So as you can see, with LGM Database, you can identify easily companies that are matching your ideal client profile. And the Lookalike Search feature helps you to go one step further into the segment process by identifying directly your next customers. Whether you already know who you want to target or want to explore new opportunities, LGM Database adapts to every need. We really hope you will enjoy the feature and can't wait to have your feedback. Have a nice day!